Notability versus FreeNotes can significantly influence how you manage your notes and enhance your productivity without the hassle of disorganization. Let's explore both options briefly. Notability and FreeNotes are both powerful note-taking applications designed to streamline your workflow. The core difference lies in their features. Notability focuses on multimedia notes, while FreeNotes emphasizes simplicity and AI integration for enhanced organization. Notability is a versatile note-taking app that allows users to create handwritten notes, record audio, and annotate PDFs seamlessly. It works by providing a user-friendly interface where you can organize notes into subjects and dividers. One of its strengths is the ability to sync across devices, making it ideal for students and professionals who need access to their notes anytime, anywhere. Notability also supports a variety of media, allowing users to incorporate images and sketches, which enhances the overall note-taking experience. However, it does come with a subscription model which may not suit everyone's budget. Ideal users include students, educators, and anyone who values a comprehensive note-taking solution with multimedia capabilities. FreeNotes is an innovative note-taking app that leverages AI to help users create, organize, and retrieve their notes efficiently. It operates by allowing users to type or dictate notes, which are then organized automatically based on context and keywords. The strength of FreeNotes lies in its simplicity and focus on smart organization, making it perfect for users who prefer a streamlined experience without unnecessary distractions. Additionally, FreeNotes offers integration with various productivity tools, enhancing its utility. However, it may lack some of the advanced features found in Notability, such as audio recording or extensive multimedia support. Ideal users include professionals and casual note takers who prioritize efficiency and simplicity in their note management. When comparing Notability and FreeNotes, consider your specific needs. If you require a robust feature set that includes multimedia support, Notability is the better choice. It excels in environments where detailed notes and audio recordings are essential, such as lectures or meetings. On the other hand, if you prefer a straightforward and intelligent note-taking experience, FreeNotes stands out with its AI-driven organization. It simplifies the process of finding and managing notes, making it ideal for those who want to focus on productivity without the clutter. Ultimately, the trade-off comes down to whether you value comprehensive features or a streamlined, efficient approach to note-taking. For users who need advanced features and multimedia capabilities, Notability is the recommended choice. If you value simplicity and intelligent organization, FreeNotes is the way to go. Both applications offer unique benefits, so choose the one that aligns best with your note-taking style for optimal productivity.